Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you how to use baby oil in the bathroom. These life hacks are very simple and some of them will make your cleaning easier. Apply a little baby oil to a microfiber cloth and scrub your bathroom tiles. Please note that the microfiber cloth will become slightly greasy, so if you want, you can use paper towels. After cleaning, the tiles will shine and soap scum will accumulate on them less. Also use baby oil to wipe down the faucet. You need to use a small amount of baby oil, be sure to rub it well and remove excess with a microfiber cloth or paper towel. Drops of water leave a residue on the faucet, baby oil will clean your faucet and get it sparkling again. You can also use baby oil to oil squeaky door hinges. Apply a little to door hinges and they will stop squeaking. Pour some baby oil inside a toilet paper roll and let it soak in. Now every time you use it, you will feel a light, pleasant aroma. There is another option for filling the bathroom with a pleasant aroma. Take a cotton bud, apply baby oil to it, and throw it in the trash can. Thanks to these life hacks, you will feel a delicate scent in your bathroom for a long time. If you are tired of constantly cleaning your glass shower doors to remove soap scum and hot water deposits, simply wipe them down with baby oil. It will create a protective layer, thanks to which drops will easily roll down the glass, which will prevent plaque formation. The same happens with tiles and faucets, but don't rub baby oil on your bathtub or floor tiles, because the surface will become slippery and you could slip. I had water stains on my shower glass. To clean it, I poured some vinegar on a microfiber cloth with baby oil. As you can see, the result is excellent. Shower door is clear again. Try using baby oil in your bathroom this way if you want to make cleaning easier and fill your bathroom with a pleasant scent. If you like the tips, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.